Hey guys, it's Steve Donahoe from DCS Sales Marketing, and right now we're going to do an actual true demo on how to make an auto robot. And we're going to literally show you that it is such an easy process to do and how easy you can use this actually software and build yourself your own basically autobot responders. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you from the makeup of a actual autobot responder and the insides of the software of how to go about and do it. And we're just going to go into that and show you right now. If you have a look here, this is actually in the back office of the Conversiobot, and this is the actual software that we use. And you'll see there's a whole list of bots that we have made. Okay, we have made right now that we have actually made these bots cloned that were actually made previously, and you can actually modify them to how you want to modify them. But if you want to go further, you can actually buy them all pre-made with templates, but it's going to cost you a lot more money to do that. And I'll be honest with that. I mean, you can't go wrong as far as that goes. They're all pre-made ones for you, specifically for your niche and the actual website that you actually are promoting. These bots themselves are templates. And if you actually join under the company itself, and you'll see that you can get all these templates for all different types of services, whether it be an offline service or whether it be a online service. But you could actually build these bots for other people, and that's what we do. We actually build these bots for other people. But what we want to show you is how powerful it can be for affiliate marketing. And we're just going to show you a small one that we're going to build right now and how easy it really is. It is actually just one that we've put a couple of little other details in it to make it one of ours, because we clone ones that we were allowed to use here. And if you have a look, there could be a contact us, which is very important. Instead of basically what's happening with these guys is that they're working as your autoresponder. Instead of having a capture page and having people to input information on the capture page, you'll see that a lot of people, when they advertise something, and we'll just show you what I mean by that, is when people advertise, most of the time, if we can find it, you'll see there's an area where they'll expect you to, now this isn't one, but this is an actual capture page, which is quite good capture page. But what we want to do is try to find one that actually is one that you just fill in your email information. This is a click to order, which will take you to the actual. We'll try to see if we can find one here. Hang on a minute. When you want one, you can't find one. That is the way it works, isn't it? So here, you'll see here where it says name and email. This is the standard, okay, that most people use as affiliate marketers. This is the standard that they use. It's an actual, what you call a capture landing page. And in order to build their mailing list, they have just a landing page that tells you a small amount about it, but basically then just put your name and your email address for to go in on their autoresponder, and then they'll either send you details about it or they'll send you directly to the website in regards to want it more. And what they normally do is they actually get your email address and your name, and then they will actually go into their autoresponder and they start sending you different offers. Okay, obviously that's how people work, and that's how mailing lists work. So this is just the basics. What if we can go a step further in a different way? And let me show you what I mean by that. And now, if we have a look at, I just build this up now, and it is in regards to this offer, okay? And you'll see this is the page that we've just made. Right now, within 5 minutes, we cloned this just to make a one single page, and you'll have a look. There's no actual sign up to submit your email or to have to go on a mailing list for that period of time. But what we want to do is we want to show a person what the offer is all about first. So if you have a look at it here at the bottom right hand screen, if you can see it here right now, this is what the offer is. So the offer itself, if you click on it, this is our robot, okay? It's not a real person here, okay? It can direct you to a real person when you want to need more information about it. But if you click on it, you're going to get basically an interactive discussion with a robot, which is going to ask you questions. And this is regards to the actual Conversion Pro that I'm promoting because I love it myself and because it works, okay? Right now it looks like it's actually not going through for some reason. There's always hiccups with a lot of things always, right? So anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to go back to what I was trying to show you, and we're going to look at what we could do in building one. And I want to show you the inside guts of an actual bot and how it works on this, all right? So if we look at a contact us, and we're going to go into the settings of it, and we're going to go click on contact us, and it's going to build it, all right? This is the building blocks of this autoresponder autobot. This is all it is. And you'll see it's like linked up blocks to blocks to blocks. So in other words, what it does, it will show you the intro of something first. It will ask questions. You'll see how it's all linked up. And then it'll move over to the next things by questions asked or by actually yes or no questions. Or if you want to know more things, it'll send you more over to an expert contact area, or if a question is arising. And this is how powerful it can be, okay? So this basically you can put on a page, a one page, instead of having a actual email submit. And this is what it looks like. So we're going to do a preview of it. And this is what we just actually made up here ourselves. And you'll have a look. It says, hello and welcome to DCSS Marketing, which is who we are. We're here to help, and I'm here to help you find what you need. Do you have a question you'd like me to forward to one of our experts? Now, that means that you would have it designed that it's going to come to a person that is going to answer the question that you have. So if you say, like, you're going to ask a question, and the question down here that, like, say, the price, and we will click it, and what happens is it'll tell you that it'll send it on to one of our team of experts, okay? So confirm your full name. This is how it turns into the actual email page submitter with the robot, okay? So please also confirm your full name. So you would actually just put your name in, okay? And then the email address. And this is how it goes on your mailing list, all right? So you have two options now. If you want them to email you directly, you'd have them click on this. Or if you want to call, then you could put in your own private phone number or your business number for them to call you directly, okay? Which is a lot of the capture email pages just don't do that. So you have the option now for them to email you with the information or call, okay? That's what they're asking. Email with the information or call. So that person will click on it. If it says, please email me, you'll see that now are going to ask you for your email address. So you confirm your email address in here, and you'll see it said, thank you. One of our experts will contact you as soon as possible via the email. Please feel free to get in touch if you have any further questions. Okay, so have a great day. And that's how it actually has gone in regards to that. So it is by these blocks and links that you have set up that actually shows this preview and the questions that have been asked in these blocks. Okay, now with these blocks, if you click on the block, you'll see that it is opening up an interface or like a field of information you can put in here of putting your name if needed, or you could call yourself whoever you want to be, or Robbie the Robot, whatever it is, or, you know, but let them know that you're not real right now, but we're just saying hello and welcome to DCS Marketing. And you can add whatever you need per block, okay? Then user responses. If you click on users responses, you'll see that you get a yes or no answer, or you can have a buttons of different things, of cards, star rating, social sharing, page redirection, all these types of things that you can actually put in. Geolocation, booking appointments, multiple choice answers, time picker, you name it, that you can set up for your robot. And there's no limit to what it is, because it runs on the site of this company, this online autobot, Conversiobot, and there's no like limit of data that you can put on. So you can continue to do this because you paid for it, okay? So this is how you just open up the boxes and you type your information in. So when you tell it no or a question, it will move on to the next field. So if they say no, again, I'll just show you here, we're going to start it again. We put a background page on it of locking fingers together, and we're going to just change the format a bit, and we're going to say no to see what happened. So we're going to say no. It's now gone over to this area over here, that the question, contact method, intro, it has gone over here. Now, would you like me to arrange for one of our experts to call you? And if you continue to say no, we can email you if you prefer. So giving you options. They're not telling you to do it. They're giving you options. You can continue to say no. It sounds like your query is urgent. So now it's going to tell you to email us at our address, and ultimately you can actually call us if you need more information. So now you have got them to email you or to call you straight away, even though they said no. So if you need to speak to someone right away for more information. So this is one way of getting a call. It's an action call, basically an action call on the robot. So when you, I just put a little bit of information in, would you do a survey on our chat? And if they say no, then it just comes up with this information here. But I haven't actually, because this is a demo, I haven't actually linked it to anything. But you could have said whether it be yes or no, because there's no actual answer where we're doing this a demo person. If it said no, it said, well, thank you for your time anyway, and this wouldn't have come up. But if you hit yes, then you could do a 1 to 3 survey or 1 to 3 rating on the actual site. So if you click on that and then say 3 stars, and click on it and the 3 stars, you get recorded. Well, thanks for your rating. Okay, so all those sort of things you can do on this auto robot. Now, how powerful is that? It's pretty powerful, I think. You know, it's not hard to do, guys. All right, it's just a matter of linking one to the other. And I'll just give you an idea. We'll put intro here, and then we'll add a block. You move the block where you want to move it, okay? And then you just move one to the other. Well, right now you can't because this is already here, but if you would actually put this to another link, you'll see down here, you see that's red. If you move that down, you can link this now with this one, which will give another answer after that survey, and you could put a link or something like that down of another site or another affiliate program or whatever. Please have a look at this or something like that. And all you got to do is touch that, move it across, and connect it. Okay? Sorry, that didn't work right there. But normally you just hit a connect on it, or maybe that's got to go over here. Okay, so in other words, that was the end. That's going to continue there. So what now we've done, we have moved that new block from, we looked at that, that was a survey. We put that, well, thanks for your rating. Okay, so we got that part of it. So let's look, just see what we can do for that. So say we put new block 21, all right? Care to look at this? And you can have a user response that says yes or no. Okay, but we're just going to not worry about the user response. You'll see here, we could use text or buttons. Okay, so option is just yes. We're not going to say no. So we're just going to do the option right now. You could put no. Or you can. Let's do it properly, all right? So you get an idea, right? So we're going to say no on that, all right? If they say yes, see that little link? That will direct it to where it needs to go to. All right, so say you want to put that there, and we're going to just hit continue on that, and we're going to hit save. Let's see what else come up now after that we say no. And we just go on through no. Now look, it's coming up again. Care to look at this? Do you see that? Care to look at this? So if we say yes, now what has it done? Taken us exactly over to that next offer. How powerful is that, guys? All right? Straight away. All right? It's directed them straight over to a new actual offer. Now you can have it to open a new window or go back. And then what you could do, once they've done that, you could say, thank you for having your time. And all you do is build another block. So you have this block here, and you'll see these little red things. You can build another block and say, thank you for your time. Can we send you a free gift? And the new block you could make for free gift and send them to get the free gift. Okay? That is how powerful this really is. And I like to promote something to show people that I actually use it and it works, okay? So I'm showing right now this system that it works, all right? So when you see this, I'm going to send you to my page for you to look at the offer, okay, which will be the offer that I'm going to present, which has the robot on it already. And we'll just see where that is. Well, I've just been playing. This is another actual thing that we can use. It's called the Easy Page Builder. We actually, if you have a look on our site, we can build these pages directly through our site as well. So if you're interested in that, let me know. All right, this is a very Awesome, awesome. And it's all integrated in your site that you can build landing pages and do what you want to do and put scripts in, whatever it is, okay? And the page itself is called Conversiobot, and this is a page we made, and you'll have a look. There's the autobot down on the right-hand side, which will ask you about this offer, all right? So there is the one we've built for the actual promotion of this. So I'm going to ask you to go to here and actually it'll be on my YouTube page where I'm doing this live right now, and we're going to put it in that you can find out more information about it. And if I can put it on here, which so the link I have now put on the bottom of this live that you can look at and have interest in it yourself. Again, hopefully we didn't turn off the live here. So the live's still going, you'll see. Now I've just put the information into the site. So please have a look at this. What we are going to offer, if this still you can't get there and you're still not interested, we're going to give you one offer on something. It is going to be to give you a demo it's starting to copy itself at the moment. I don't know what it is, but why it's doing that. But what we're going to do is actually show you something here. In the design and the settings, that when you actually put this into a web page, how easy it really is. So I'm just going to show you here before this goes off. You'll see there's a widget bot code. And here it is here. Is all you have to do is to put in a page for the autobot to work. And that is the script that runs that autobot. So again, the preview of the actual autobot is here. That is a contact us box. Basically, we would love to be able to give you a demo of using this. To see how it works on your site. No charge whatsoever. We normally charge $200 to build a robot. But we would like to give you the opportunity to see how it works for you first. So with the Conversiobot autoresponder, we are going to put and modify at the end of it that you would like to have a demo done on it. Okay, so that is the basic principles of the Conversiobot back office to show you how these Autobots are able to be made, which are very simple. Basically, move block to block in a link and input the information. And there's not much of a limit that you can do with these things. Okay, so this is just going to be the preview demo on the site that we're going to put this actual on here to show how it actually works for everybody. Okay, so we're going to go off live now. And thanks for your time to watch this. And we hope that you will be interested in this. And if you need any information in regards to it more, please contact us directly. Okay, God bless, guys.